Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a pulley swap. So we'll see how fast we go on a 375 pulley, and then we'll see how fast we go on a 3.0 pulley. We're running E50 for both passes, so let's see what the difference is. So we got us a Whipple Mustang. What's this, 2017?
17.
All right, so I see the Whipple. So what else we got on here?
We got some 305, 35, 20 street comps, Mickeys, and that's about it.
What tunes it?
It was tuned by Palm Beach Dyno.
Palm Beach Dyno. All right.
That's where they come out of Lebanon, Ohio.
Oh. All right, so,
that's where they come
from.
So
it's a 11-hour Ford vehicle.
Yeah.
And it's a manual car.
Yes, sir.
You had it on the dyno?
Yeah. We dynoed out at I'm sorry, I can't disclose that information.
All right, fair enough.
Disclose that information.
All right. We'll have a good run here.
Yeah, we will.
Whipple on Whipple.
Yeah, Whipple on Whipple.
Coyote on Coyote.
Yeah.
Car versus truck.
And must I say, I watch his channel all the time when he doing his thing. So, my man, being that you got the S on his chest, I'm parting the left hand, but I'm gonna have to take it away from you. Because even though we right here with it all day, both of us, but best man win.
Fair enough. So let's have some fun.
Yes, sir.
Worst case, I got another pulley.
I got another pulley. Look, and I might have to borrow.
Getting ready to make a pass. We're on the large pulley, and we're about to run a Mustang, 17 Mustang GT with a Whipple, and he's running the same pulley. So I think this is, well, he's a manual car, so we have that on our side for launch for the initial. Maybe he'll miss a gear. Maybe we'll put the pressure on for him to make him miss a gear. But we'll see. Hopefully I'll get to run them both times. Like I said, this time I'm running on the larger pulley, and the next pass I'll make on a smaller pulley. Just to get a back-to-back. Same cool down in between. So we'll see. Alright. Looks like he slept a little on that tree there. It was a Pro tree. Thank you. Okay. 11.1, 125. Pretty much how it's been in this heat on this boat. So, well, getting ready to make the next pass. This time on the 3.0 pulley. So let's see how she does. Only change has been a pulley swap. The car got the same cool down that the first pulley got, which is like an hour-and-a-half cool down in between. DE is pretty similar. Temperature is pretty similar. Still hot. So we'll see. So this is same tune, no changes other than the pulley. Left lower early there. Left lower early. While I was lined up with him, it's not like we were truly racing, so more or less me just doing this pulley test. But would have preferred to been able to clear him still in an honest way. But did leave a little early. Thank you. 1040. Well, in closing, you can basically see exactly what went on from the pulley swap. So we had 11.1 at 125 versus 10.4 at 131, 132. So the biggest thing is during the swap, actually I didn't have the belt tight enough, so we had some belt slip. That issue's now been fixed. User error. So it probably would have been close to a full second, to be honest. Because if you look at the video and you watch the boost gauge, you'll see it peak at like 15, 16 pounds and then trickle back down. It'll trickle down to like 13 or so for basically each gear shift as the RPM raised. So that was a user error. Won't be the first, won't be the last. But there you go. You got basically close to a second gain if we estimate it. If we go for real world for what it did, it was a little more than half a second. It was what, 6, 7 tenths? I'm pretty sure that the other 3 were there had we not had slip. So pulley swap, 5-minute change, almost a second difference. There you go. Till next time, Boosted F-150 out.